Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And as you can see, I got my hair done at the salon. Psych! I got this hair for $23 on Amazon. It is a half up, half down hairstyle. But the hair can also be worn in other different ways and we gonna get into it. And then I also got these nails in my last Temu Valentine's nail haul and I applied them. So let's get on into it. Okay, so let's get into the hair first. This hair is called an instant up and down, and it is by Sensational. It comes with 1/2 wig and 1 pony wrap. It is 100% premium fiber, which means it's a premium synthetic hair. So it's not human, it's synthetic, but it's more of a premium synthetic that gives off that human hair look. And the purpose of this instant up down is to be able to wear your hair up or down or both. You can do a half up, half down hairstyle. You can use the pony wrap for a ponytail, or you can also just use the half wig if you just want to wear it down and blend your natural hair with the half wig in the front. So I love that this is a very versatile hair package. And the style that I'm about to do right now is the half up, half down, because I want to see how the half wig works and how the pony wrap works. So what I just did, since I'm not braiding my natural hair, I'm just brushing it down into a low ponytail. I'm making sure the ponytail is nice and low so that we don't have any humps in the back when we put the half wig on the back. So I brushed my natural hair through really well with my detangling brush and I put it in a ponytail. I twisted my natural hair up, and then I am going to secure my natural hair with a clip. So I'm just going to grab one of the clips from the pieces that I have separated in the front, put it in a ball, and use that clip to hold down my natural hair in the back. And the back of my hair is secure. The front, I just swooped my hair up in the front in a ponytail using some edge control, and I twisted my natural hair up as well into a tight bun, so as tight and small as I could get it, so that when I get ready to put the ponytail wrap on, it'll have just enough of my natural hair to clamp onto. So this is the half wig, and it is so long and pretty, and the hair is so soft. It has 2 combs in the front of it and then 1 comb at the back where the nape of the neck is, and then it also has a drawstring at the nape of the neck. So I'm securing the 2 clips that's at the top, and then I secured the bottom. I just pulled the wig down over my bun and used that comb and the drawstring to pull it tight so that the hair is nice and secure to the back of my head. And oh, it's so cute already. I did, however, want to pin the sides down in the back a little bit more, since the half wig is made to go more towards the front of your head or the back of your head. Is made to be versatile. It is a little bit large if you wear it just on the back of your head, so I'm just adding a couple extra bobby pins to secure the sides of the half wig to the sides of the back of my head. So in total, I just put 2 extra bobby pins on each side of my head so that I could make sure it was nice and secure on the sides. And then next, let's get into this pony wrap. So it has a comb in the center of the pony wrap, and then it has another comb on the side of the pony wrap. So the comb that's in the center, you're gonna use it to secure it in the front of your bun, and then you're gonna wrap that pony around the back of your bun and use that other comb to secure it to the back of your bun. And then you have that straight piece of hair which you will wrap around the base of your ponytail to secure your ponytail and give it that salon look. You know how they always take a piece of hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail? So that's what it's giving, and I love it. This style is so quick and easy to do. It's perfect for an event. If you have an event coming up and you don't really know what to do with your hair, or if you can't get an appointment with the salon, definitely a quick on the go-to hairstyle. It's so quick and easy to do. I feel like anybody can do this, especially since you don't really have to braid your hair down or anything. You can just swoop the back of your hair in a ponytail like I did, swoop your hair up in the front, attach your half wig onto the back, wrap that ponytail around in the front, and boom, you got a whole hairstyle. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just securing that piece of hair that I was wrapping around the base with some bobby pins, just to make sure my ponytail is nice and secure. It doesn't come with anything to secure that straight piece of hair that you wrap around the base, so you definitely want to make sure you have some bobby pins to secure your pony. And y'all, look how cute this is. I'm not even done with it yet, but look how quick and cute this hairstyle is. So the last thing we need to do is just lay our edges down. So I'm taking some edge control. I'm using a comb and I'm just applying that edge control to my edges. My edges are on the thin side. I mean, my edges never fully recovered after I had my daughter and I went through a lot of postpartum shedding. I don't know if anybody else went through that, but I lost so much hair during postpartum. And it really took a toll on my edges, but we still got edges. They just a little bit thin, but I mean, we working on them. I'm gonna have to give me some miracle drops or something to fill them in a little bit more, but they very much still there. And this is the finished look, you guys. Look how bomb this hairstyle is. It came out so good, and I had to stand up and show y'all how long it is. It's very flowy. It's not giving synthetic at all. It's very soft, and this is how the hair looks as a half wig. So I took the pony wrap off the top and I just pulled the half wig closer to the front of my head. I grabbed me a scarf to cover up where the half wig and my hair meet, because I didn't feel like blending my natural hair in with it. And boom, just like that, you got a headband wig. So I am loving the versatility of this hair. I will link it in the description of this video. It is only $23 and I got it on Amazon. It does come in multiple colors. I have the color 1B because my hair is not jet black, but it's not too light either. 1B was perfect for me. So make sure you guys check out the description box. And now it's time to get into these nails. Now, if you saw my last Temu Valentine's nail haul, these nails were a part of that haul, and it was my favorite set of that haul. So I'm going to show you guys how I applied these nails. So first I spreaded all the nails out because I wanted to see how many blue nails came in the pack, how many nails that have the hearts on them came in the pack, how many nails that have the rhinestones on them came in the pack, just to see if I could make a nice cohesive set. Look how shiny the nails are. So right off the top, I knew I wasn't going to have to do too much extra to these nails. Now, I did notice a couple things with the rhinestones on these nails. When I opened them, a couple of the rhinestones came off of the nails. Like, as you can see, that one is missing a rhinestone. It's supposed to be 2. It only has 1. And then on these nails that have the rhinestones around the cuticle, there's a rhinestone missing from the center of the cuticle. But y'all already know we about to fix that. It's a quick and simple and easy fix. So this is the set that I put together. I mixed it up a little bit. We got the blue nails in the middle, and then we have 2 French tip nails, and then on the pinky we got the nails with the hearts on them with the rhinestones around the cuticles. So I'm about to just replace that rhinestone that came off with one of my rhinestones from my rhinestone nail kit. And all I did was put a dot of nail glue where the rhinestone was missing, grabbed my tweezer, grabbed one of my rhinestones from my kit, and boom, just like that, the rhinestone is back. And then you just let that dry. I also did put some extra glue around all the other stones just to make sure that they weren't going to come off. So keep in mind that these nails were only $1.90. So of course you may have a couple stones that come off here and there. And I did go ahead and apply some glue to the other pinky nail, even though no stones were missing. Like I said, I just want to make sure the stones are nice and secure. And I even added some extra glue to the other nails that have rhinestones on them as well. So now that that's done, it's time to prep our natural nails. And I just grabbed the nail file that came with the nails, and I'm gently just buffing that shiny layer from the top of my natural nails, because as you know, if you've been here on my channel for a while, the nails adhere better to a roughened surface. And if you're new here, this is a very important part of prepping your natural nails. When you are applying press-on nails, you always want to make sure you roughen the surface of your natural nail and knock that shine off the top. And this is how your nails will look after you've done that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just spray a mixture of alcohol and acetone that I put together, and spray my nails just to further dehydrate them and get rid of any remaining grease or oils from my nail plate. And now it's time to apply the nails. So this nail glue is also from Temu. I also get it from Shein. It's one of my favorite nail glues right now, and it works so good. My nails always last long, even though I don't keep my nails on for more than a week. Had I not taken my nails off myself, the nails will definitely last over a week. So I highly recommend this glue, and I will also link it in the description of this video. So you want to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue on your natural nail, and then you're going to line that press-on nail up with your cuticle area, and you're going to press that nail down and hold it for 30 seconds. And you also want to make sure you are pressing down against your side walls to make sure you have full coverage over your natural nail. And that helps to prevent your nails lifting from the sides, because when your nails lift, they always start to lift from the side or either around the cuticle. So just make sure you're applying pressure all around your nail, not just in the center. And let's talk about the quality of these nails. Even though a couple of rhinestones came off, the nails themselves are very good quality. They are not thin. The nails have a nice curve to them, so they're not just flat. And I love how the tips of the nails have a nice C curve to them. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about later in the video after I've applied all the nails. So one more time, you always want to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue. Line that press-on nail up with your cuticle area. Press down and hold for 30 seconds. Start out by pressing in the center of the nail, and then maybe after about 10-15 seconds, start pressing down your side walls. And now I have all the nails on, and what we need to do next is just file down those little extra tips that are always on the tips of press-on nails. And I'm just going to do that with the nail file that came with the nails. I love a nice, crisp, even tip on my nails, so I'm just making sure I'm filing them nice and even. And even though the video is sped up right here, I'm not doing this very aggressive. I'm just gently filing that extra tip off and making sure that the nails are nice and straight on the tips. And as you can see, they are good. And I'm doing my glue check just to make sure they're nice and secure. And as you can see, these nails are not going anywhere. That's why it's always important to put a nice bubble of glue. And then once you press that nail down, make sure you hold it down for 30 seconds and your nails will definitely last a week or more. And of course, the last thing we need to do is apply some cuticle oil around our cuticles, because we cannot be having no fresh set with no crusty cuticles. And this is the finished look of the nails. They came out so good. They're definitely giving nail shop. The quality of these nails, 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. And I feel like when you're ordering nails from Temu or Shein, you definitely have to pay attention to the pictures that they have so that you're not picking the ones that are on a lower quality side. They do have a lot of good quality nails on there, so just make sure you're looking at the pictures really good. And you can also check the reviews to see if anybody has posted pictures of the nails that they ordered. And this is the C curve on the tips that I was telling you guys about. You see how there's a nice shaped C on the tips of the nails? I love that when it comes to nails, and that just makes them even look more professional and gives that salon quality look. I didn't even have to put a base coat or no top coat on these nails. That is how good the nails are. And I hope you guys enjoyed this hair and nail combo. More videos like this coming soon. Y'all know I'ma always keep y'all up on game about different hair and nails and things that I am buying from these stores and online, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you have that notification bell on so that you do not miss any of my content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.